Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to make phone call on iPhone with Siri. So you can just say, hey Siri, call my trio.
Calling my treasure mobile.
You see that? So you need to make sure you set up Siri for this to happen. So if at the end of this you found this up informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first thing to do is go ahead and open the settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down, locate and click on Siri. Then make sure you tap talk to Siri and then set up either Siri or Hey Siri or Hey Siri. Then once you set up this, then hit the back button. You can just scroll down, come to you see call hang up, click on that, and then enable call hang up. Hey Siri, hang up is supported during phone call or FaceTime call. And then you're good. So when you want to make a call after setting up Siri, then you can just say, hey Siri, call my trio.
Calling my treasure mobile.
So that is basically how to make a phone call on iPhone with Siri. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.